Here are cameras, and then there are legends. For nearly a decade, the photography world has been holding its breath, waiting for a ghost to return. It has been a wait filled with rumors, whispered hopes, leaked patents, blurry prototype photos, and endless forum debates. Every year, photographers ask the same question: will Sony ever revive the RX1 series? And every year, the answer seemed to be no. Until now. Because the return did not arrive quietly. It arrived like a thunderclap. It arrived with confidence. It arrived with authority. It arrived in the form of the Sony RX1R III, a camera that does not merely update a beloved classic, but resurrects it and transforms it into something even more powerful than anyone expected. Forget everything you think you know about compact cameras. Forget plastic bodies, tiny sensors, and compromised image quality. Forget the idea that small cameras are only for casual shooters. This is not a small camera in spirit. This is a full-frame, 61-megapixel fortress of photographic power that happens to fit inside a jacket pocket. It is a machine built without apology. It does not try to be affordable. It does not try to be versatile for everyone. It tries to be perfect for those who understand what it represents. We are talking about the Sony RX1R III, a camera that exists in its own category, untouched by trends, untouched by marketing gimmicks, untouched by compromise. This camera is not just an update. It is an event. It is the rebirth of a mythical beast. Before it even reached store shelves, it became a ghost. Pre-orders vanished in minutes. Retailers posted out-of-stock notices before most people even realized it had launched. Social media filled with unboxing videos, first impressions, and whispered envy. If you are serious about photography, if you believe that the best camera is the one you have with you, and if you demand uncompromising image quality wherever you go, then this camera demands your attention. The story of the RX1R III begins where all great photographs begin, with the sensor. For nearly 10 years, the RX1R III held the line with its 42-megapixel full-frame sensor. It was impressive in its time, and even today it remains respectable. But technology does not stand still, and the RX1R III does not take small steps forward. It vaults into the stratosphere. At its core sits a 61-megapixel full-frame A7R CMOS sensor, the same class of sensor found in Sony's professional flagship cameras. This is resolution once reserved for studio photographers, landscape specialists, and commercial shooters. Now it lives inside a camera barely larger than a point-and-shoot. What does 61 megapixels really mean in practice? It means you are carrying a billboard-ready image-making machine in your pocket. It means you can crop aggressively and still retain stunning detail. It means textures, fabrics, skin, stone, leaves, clouds, and shadows are rendered with almost surreal precision. It means your photographs hold up not just on social media, but on gallery walls, in magazines, and on massive prints. This is surgical, detail-oriented power. Every frame feels deliberate. Every image feels permanent. But a great sensor is meaningless without a great lens. And this is where the RX1 series has always separated itself from everything else. The lens is a fixed ZEISS Sonnar T*35 MEF2. There is no zoom. There is no swapping. There is no upgrade path. This is not a limitation. It is a philosophy. By permanently bonding the lens to the sensor, Sony and ZEISS can optimize every micron of optical performance. There is no room for tolerance errors. No alignment issues. No compatibility compromises. Everything is engineered as one unified system. The result is edge-to-edge sharpness that feels almost unreal. It is clarity without harshness. It is contrast without brittleness. It is color without exaggeration. And at f2, the lens produces a creamy, elegant bokeh that melts backgrounds into soft washes of light and texture. Subjects emerge naturally, without artificial separation. This is not software blur. This is optical artistry. This is what happens when engineers and designers are allowed to chase perfection instead of versatility. Powering all of this is Sony's BIONZ XR image processor, the fastest and most capable engine the company currently produces. This processor is the silent hero behind the scenes. It handles enormous 61-megapixel RAW files without hesitation. It ensures menus respond instantly. It maintains buffer performance. It supports advanced noise reduction, and it delivers a stunning dynamic range of up to 15 stops. Dynamic range is your insurance policy as a photographer. It means you can shoot into harsh sunlight and still recover cloud detail. It means you can photograph dark alleyways and pull out texture from shadows. It means you can handle mixed lighting without panic. It gives you freedom. It gives you forgiveness. It gives you confidence. Perhaps the most dramatic leap from the decade-old predecessor is the autofocus system. The RX1R III borrows the AI-driven autofocus technology from Sony's flagship A7R V. It includes a dedicated AI processing unit designed specifically for subject recognition and tracking. This system recognizes human eyes, animal eyes, birds, vehicles, faces, bodies, and movement patterns with astonishing reliability. You no longer chase focus. You no longer fight the camera. You simply indicate your subject and the camera takes over. It locks on with surgical precision and refuses to let go. Whether you are shooting street portraits, pets, cyclists, children, or wildlife, the camera tracks with confidence. It frees your mind to think about framing, timing, and emotion. In the real world, all of this technology translates into something rare, a truly special shooting experience. The biggest benefit is size. This camera is designed to be with you at all times. It does not demand a backpack. It does not announce itself. It does not intimidate subjects. It slips quietly into daily life. You look like a tourist. You look harmless. But you are capturing professional-grade files. This subtlety is invaluable for documentary, travel, and street photography. People behave naturally around you. Moments unfold honestly. You are not a spectacle. You are invisible, and invisibility is power. The fixed 35 focal length is considered the sweet spot of photography. It is wide enough to show context, environment, and story. It is narrow enough to isolate subjects. It is the lens used by generations of masters. Henry Cartier-Bresson, Robert Frank, and countless others built careers around this perspective. The RX1R III places you directly into that tradition. Sony also leverages the massive resolution through intelligent cropping modes. With a simple switch, you can simulate a 50 equivalent while retaining nearly 29 megapixels. Push further, and you get a 70 equivalent with around 15 megapixels. Both are more than sufficient for professional use. This effectively turns one lens into three without sacrificing quality. It is digital zoom done correctly, powered by genuine optical resolution. To truly master this camera, technique matters. Shooting wide open at f2 is tempting, but it is not always ideal. While f2 is beautiful for portraits and low light, the lens reaches peak sharpness around f4 to f5.6. For landscapes, architecture, and detailed scenes, stopping down reveals astonishing microdetail. The sensor resolves information most cameras simply cannot see. Customizing controls is equally important. Setting the front lens ring to ISO transforms the shooting experience. Exposure adjustments become instinctive. You respond to light instantly. You stop thinking about settings and start thinking about moments. The AI autofocus also deserves respect. Assigning tracking to a custom button allows you to lock onto subjects instantly. You point, press, and shoot. No recomposing. No hesitation, no missed frames. For candid photography, this is revolutionary. When the RX1R III launched, it did not just enter the market. It dominated the conversation. It became a viral sensation. Reviews flooded in. Waiting lists formed. Prices on the secondary market climbed. Why did this happen? Because this camera represents something rare in modern technology: conviction. It does not chase trends. It does not follow influencers. It does not compromise for mass appeal. It delivers a clear vision, absolute image quality in the smallest possible professional package. It combines classic rangefinder philosophy with modern computational power. It merges tradition with artificial intelligence. It respects photography as both craft and art. This is not a camera for everyone. It is expensive. It is specialized. It requires commitment. But for those who understand it, it becomes irreplaceable. It becomes a companion. It becomes part of how you see the world. The Sony RX1R III proves that true innovation does not always mean more features. Sometimes it means doing fewer things better than anyone else. It means trusting photographers. It means honoring legacy. It means building something that lasts. After a decade of waiting, the legend has returned. And this time, it is stronger, smarter, sharper, and more confident than ever. This is not just a camera. It is a statement. It is proof that you can carry absolute power in your pocket. It is the rebirth of an icon, and it was worth every second of the wait.